said it wouldn't be good. Look at this. Team Elf. Team Elf with even his Zowie Bowie socks on. Team Elf. So he said he'd get dressed up as Team Elf. His pyjamas really, aren't they? You didn't wear them last night, but these are pyjamas that you've had.
Excuse me?
Yeah?
I'm an elf.
You're an elf.
I'm a member of the National Elf Service.
Elf Service.
Yeah. And I'm here to elf you. It's my last day today. After Christmas Day, I have to go, right?
Right.
Never to return. Well, no, I'm not saying never, but I can come back next pre-Christmas and get up to some tricks. I've done some good tricks this year, not least inventing a pet dog, a toy dog that poos.
Oh, right.
That was good. And farts as well. I like that one. And numerous other things. Right.
And the reason why you're telling us that is because your granddaughter got one.
My granddaughter got a little dog.
A little dog that poos.
That poos and farts.
But it doesn't poo and fart. It pretends.
Apparently. Well, she shouted when she was on the video, right? And she shouted, "Mummy, the dog's pooed!"
Oh dear me.
And it was a pet dog.
Oh,
I mean a fake dog. You know,
yeah. Not a real dog.
A toy dog.
A toy dog.
Sorry, my elf brain is struggling because, of course, my powers are fading now. It's Christmas Day, and I have to get back to the Arctic Circle. Right. And apparently, Santa has done me a favour. He hasn't done most of America a favour, but he's done me a favour because he shifted the Arctic Circle a bit further south so I can get back a bit quicker.
Oh, right.
Yeah. So apologies for that. I'll have words when I get back. We'll make sure it doesn't happen again.
Tell Santa to sort the weather out in America.
I'll make sure it doesn't happen again for at least another 100 years.
Well, let's hope so.
All right. And on that note, I have to whiz
Can we just show them your lovely outfit? Complete with stripy trousers and Zowie Bowie socks. And are you off?
No, not yet. But I might go off a bit later.
Okay, well, we'll see.
So I must make tracks.
Okay.
Now, as elves do, I will suddenly disappear.
And just like that, he went. Well, this Christmas, when we usually go to France, previously when we went to France, we would get a jigsaw to take with us, or John Barber would, and we would sit and do it throughout the Christmas. So I thought we'd do the same this time. We have a little coffee table, which this is sitting on
free door.
A free door. Hang on a second. Okay, Google, stop. That Google ignores me.
Those mine. Yeah, they are.
They are yours. I ordered a cushion cover for a chair, for an IKEA chair, and in the bottom of the box was wrapped in brown cardboard, and in another box was this IKEA door, kitchen door, and we were going to bin it, and I said, oh, it'll just be nice to put the jigsaw onto. So this is the jigsaw we got. Because we've never done it before ourselves, I just got something that was a very busy pattern, and this is the one I got people at Christmas. I think it was only about £5 or £6. So we'll see how it goes. But apparently I suddenly realised after I bought it that second-hand clothes shops, charity shops, often have jigsaws. So I think when we want to go for another one, we'll go for a charity shop jigsaw. Mm-hmm. And while we're on, I'll show you this. This is his emu oil. See if I can focus in. This is his pure Australian emu oil. emuoil.well.co.uk was where he bought it from. So we have only 2 presents to open. There are 2 presents that we have to open, and these are 2 that we got from Debbie. So we'll open those up and see what's inside. It says, to Micheline and Brian, something to do in case you get bored, ha ha ha. Think clogs and cheese. Lots of love, Debbie. She's always very very good at thinking of things. So come on, you open it up.
Oh, me? Oh.
Mhm.
Right. Do I have a scalpel?
Oh, you might need one because she always does beautiful boxes. She likes to wrap them up nicely. No, no, take it off. It's like having a little 8-year-old.
Mummy, how do you do this bit?
Do you want me to get some scissors?
No.
Oh, he didn't need scissors. Right, okay. Come on then, open it up. Think clogs and cheese. This is a bit like a Sherlock Holmes thing. You've got to think clogs and cheese. Clogs and cheese.
Clogs. Dutch cheese.
Yeah, but it's a game, she said. It's
Edam. Fragile. Ooh. Fragile.
fragile.
It's like a Russian doll. Oh my goodness.
What is it?
Make you smile.
Oh, bulbs! Oh, for your garden. Bulbs for your garden. Oh, tulip bulbs. Wow! Look at that. She's very, what would be the word? She's very imaginative.
It's spring again.
Spring
Let's sing
again. Tulips from Amsterdam. So there's 5 sets of tulips. Wow.
Cheese and clogs.
Cheese and clogs.
Good clue.
Wow. And so there's mine to open, I think. This is another one from her to Micheline and Brian. Merry Christmas. Love, Debbie.
And in here we have paper.
Don't screw it up. I'll iron it and I can use it again.
Okay. Popcorn!
Popcorn. Oh, popcorn's good. Ah, now what's that? Jam?
Plum and spiced rum jam.
Wow.
Get the toast out.
Get the toast out. And this one. Biscuits.
There. Milk chocolate. Lebkuchen.
Oh, very nice. She likes to go to the Manchester Christmas market. Does our Debbie. And this looks like another jam, possibly. Marmalade. Chutney.
Mango and ginger with toasted cumin seeds.
Oh, chutney.
What will have that on then? Cheese.
Chutney with cheese. We'll have to try that.
Cheese and chutney.
Cheese and chutney.
Hey, come on.
Wow.
Debbie,
Well, that's lovely. That's a lovely present from our Debbie. The one and only. The one and only Debbie. So that's our Christmas presents opened. Don't screw it
I'm
up.
not screwing it up. I'm straightening it out. Look.
Yeah, but you screwed the other ones up. You screwed the red ones up.
Yeah, but they were small. They were small.
Ah, but I'll wrap small
No, they were really small. Really, really small.
Well, never mind.
There. There.
I shall take that
Put that
into.
somewhere safe.
Yes, put it somewhere safe, and I'll sort that out later. Excellent. So now we're going to have. Well, I'm sitting having my breakfast. I've got to put my face on yet, and
What's that you've got on there?
well, that's my face, but it's my unmade up face. So I've got to go and make my face up, and then we've got. What time is it? It is 4 minutes to 11. Children are going to be calling us on that, and a little video call on there to wish us happy Christmas, so I better get myself ready. He wants us to see something. This is the chef of the day with Marks and Spencer's ready baits.
Oh wait, there's an act to it all. You know, you need skills.
Not right. Okay, so this I'll turn you around to let you see here, and this is dinner for two, and he's even brought the little Christmas things there and there. Oi, get down! With the Christmas serviettes, dinner for two, with the man here.
I'm sorry, but a busy chef has to be busy.
All right, off you go. Meantime, little Missy wanted to jump on the table, didn't you? She says, I just wanted some love. You just wanted some love, didn't you? If you get off that chair, I can get it cleaned. It'd be lovely if you could move from that chair for at least a couple of minutes so I can get it cleaned up. This is mushroom and truffle soup by Marks and Spencer's. Very classy one. Tastes wonderful. Got a little turkey breast from Marks and Spencer's. We have some sprouts, crumbed I think. So we have turkey breast with bacon, Marks and Spencer's best. Look at that. Oh yes. And then what have we got here? Turnip.
Yeah, turnip and carrot.
And carrot, brought in its own container, unfortunately. And then we have, what's the Brussels sprouts and what?
Oh gosh, all sorts. I can't
Brussels
remember.
sprouts and breadcrumbs, I think. And then we have roast potatoes in goose fat. And we have gravy. And for some reason, we can't find the
The gravy boat is full of
It's full of
stones.
glass beads, so he's used a Horlicks mixing bottle. And we have 2 bottles of wine. This is mushroom and truffle soup by Marks and Spencer's. Very classy one. Tastes wonderful. So we have turkey breast with bacon, Marks and Spencer's best. Look at that. Oh yes. And then what have we got here? Turnip.
Yeah, turnip and carrot.
And carrot, brought in its own container, unfortunately. And then we have, what's the Brussels sprouts and what?
Oh gosh, all sorts. I can't
Brussels
remember.
sprouts and breadcrumbs, I think. And then we have roast potatoes in goose fat. And we have gravy. And for some reason, we can't find the
The gravy boat is full of
It's full of
stones.
glass beads, so he's used a Horlicks mixing bottle. And we have 2 bottles of wine. We've only had a couple of mouthfuls and it's absolutely wonderful. Are you enjoying it? Mom. It tastes absolutely delicious and as good as you'd get in a restaurant.
Easy.
Easy, he says. Definitely as good as you get in a restaurant. This is the full serving. Turkey with stuffing. I can't remember what the mashed, but the carrot, turnip and something with a nice tasting mixture. And this is sprouts with breadcrumbs and potatoes in goose fat. Looking forward to eating it. Well, Merry Christmas, everybody. I hope you are having or you have had a great day. It's now 20 to 6. I would have done this earlier, but unfortunately I fell asleep. We sat down, just him, his lordship and I, after we'd had a lovely meal, and the next thing I knew, I was nodding off. So I've woken up and I said, I must get this vlog done and get it uploaded for you all to see. We've had a wonderful Christmas day. Albeit different, but still thoroughly enjoyable. And I hope you've had a good one too. You know, I mean, I hope you've managed to enjoy it. What else can I say? I shall be back probably... I might put a little vlog in now and again between now and the new year. But In the meantime, I hope you all enjoy the rest of your Christmas. Have a lovely Boxing Day, because Christmas is on a Sunday. We've got 2 Boxing Days. We've got 2 bank holidays. So have a great time. Enjoy yourself, and I'll catch you in one of my coming vlogs. So I shall love you and leave you and catch you next time. Bye!